Trading stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. You should carefully consider whether trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances, knowledge, and financial resources. You may lose all or more of your initial investment. Opinions, market data, and recommendations are subject to change at any time.
What's going on, traders? Happy Thursday. 2 more days left in the trading week, and wow, do we finally have some news out of the way. Hopefully that will be a little bit more sane environment coming up for this trading session. I do need to look at the news to be sure that it's all out of the way. There could be something at the top of the hour. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's get to it. Let's talk about the current prop sales before the open. Bulenox right now just launched 83% off. Code is now 83. This is on the option 1 for Bulenox, which is the trailing drawdown like Apex. It runs until June the 28th, I believe. It's code now 83. And then they have 70% off their end of day calculation, which is like Topstep, and that code is take 70. So you got kind of 2 choices with bulenox. Option 1, 83% off. That kind of matches Apex's rules and things. And then Topstep, 70% off end of day calculation on the trailing drawdown. Let's go check out Apex. All right, let's talk about Apex real quick here. Data issues, rhythmic, trade evade. Lord, do we need to get these behind us. I did trade yesterday using trade evade, and things seem to be okay. I didn't have any issues. It's gonna take a couple weeks to be sure that things are ironed out with some of the data issues with it. If you're still getting them crazy, if you're copy trading and you're getting ghost orders, let me tell you, that is not rhythmic. That's not trade evade. That's your copy trading, and you're getting things out of sync. There needs to be like a whole. I could do a whole YouTube video just on copy trading and all the mistakes that people make with that. Especially if you're copy trading in Q, which is not very liquid. And you go, yeah, what do you mean it's in Q? There's a lot of people in Q. Yeah, but it is not very liquid. Let's just take a look real quick at NQ. Let me pull this down into the dome. Look at this. We got 2, 4, 3 on a contract. Okay, you go and try and sell 20 contracts. There are only 3 here. Three people, 2 people. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you're copy trading in Q, do yourself a favor. Use market orders, especially when you enter. You use limit orders to get out. Be sure you are making sure you got out all of the contracts. Because if you don't, if you're trying to sell 20 and you sell 5 of them and the other contracts are left on,
just casting your
you get out of sync.
To the oil space here. We're just seeing WTI and Brent continue to tick higher here, printing fresh session high. WTI and Brent up roughly 30 cents a barrel and now in the green, with WTI at roughly 78.70 on my screen and Brent 82.90. It's worth noting the complexes have seen continued upside for just under.
Let me turn news off for just a moment here. All right, back to Apex. Currently 71% off right now. This runs to June the 18th. That code is Pathway. The code with Apex is always Pathway, Pathway. It'll give you the very best deal that Apex is offering at that time. One good thing is they have $35 resets right now in this promo. So if you got one of the 90% offs and you failed it, it's probably now cheaper to do a $35 reset than potentially the 71% off. So keep that in mind. Also, the 1 day to pass is still going on, and with the promo, the 250K account is priced the same as the 50K account on the discount. So that's the current offering with Apex. Let's get to Topstep. Same thing really with Topstep. Currently, there's no big discounts or anything, just the normal sale, $49 for 50K. If you pass, it's $149 activation fee, and which is still a good deal. Just not, you know, a $29 deal or anything, but still a very good deal. Blue Sky, excellent deal going on with Blue Sky right now. 50% off for that runs through Friday, June 14th of this week. So tomorrow is the last day. That means they also, it's code FOMC. You also don't have any activation fees. So it's like Take Profit. Take Profit is 40% off right now. That code is PATH, PATH, and no activation fee. So actually, like Take Profit, MyFundedFutures, Blue Sky, they don't have activation fees on the current sales. So what that means is if you pass, it's actually cheaper than it was with Apex, 90% off. So keep that in mind. So you got 50% off at the Blue Sky. Take Profit is 40% off. Right here, 40% off. So here's the example on a 50K. It's $102. If you pass, that's it. You pay no more activation fee. What's the activation fee on, you know, Topstep? $149. What's the activation fee on Apex? It's around $149. So this is cheaper than those with the 90% sale. So always be sure you're doing your math. When the ones that have the no activation fees, keep that in mind. MFFU. Well, they got a deal going on in their expert accounts, and their expert accounts are, oh, I forgot here. Also, there is a giveaway going on in MyFundedFutures Facebook group here. Let me post this link in the room. So all you need to do is join this group and make a comment. And I asked the question, do you prefer the starter or the expert accounts? And just let me know which one you prefer. And that'll get you qualified. I'll do a live stream on Friday. Let me post this in the chat room here. There we go. Gonna do live stream. So I posted the link in the chat. I'm gonna do live stream on Friday after the close to do a giveaway for the 50K account, which is a beginner starter account. But they have 20% off their expert evaluations right now. That is using the code Pathway. It runs all month of June. So that is going on. And the other one that's kind of big, there's two other big new news and prop firms of the news. Man, I can't figure out what I'm saying here. So new prop firms. We have two new prop firms that have something very interesting going on. I'm going to post this in my... Here, Legends Trading is giving everybody your choice of a free evaluation. Any size, you choose. I'm going to post this link in the room to that Facebook group. So an example is, here it is. Limited time offer, it's the month of June. There's only one per person, but using the promo code ProlongWealth100 at checkout, it's $0 for the first month. So if you pass it within the first month, you're good to go for a funded account. I've spoken with the CEO here many times. There's a lot of stuff going on good here. They are looking to move people to live accounts in 3 months. The CEO owns GFF Brokers, which is a live futures funding brokerage firm. So lots of good things here with Legends Trading potentially forthcoming. Also, this one is really cool. Let me post this one in the room too. Fast Track Trading. This is new, and this one is skip the evaluation. So you tired of taking evaluations? You don't need to take an evaluation anymore. You can just pay and go straight to funded. Straight to funded. That is right. Straight to funded. So I post that group in here. They have a deal, 50% off. You can get up to 20 accounts. And here's the deal. Let me just go to the website from that link. So for example, you get 50% off a 179K account. What is that? 80 bucks? 90 bucks? 180 divided by 2. You get to trade 2 minis or 20 micros. There's some, and you basically you just go straight to funded. So that's cheaper. That is cheaper. Is it really? It is cheaper than some of the activation fees out there, and you don't even have to take the evaluation. Now there is one rule that makes it a little difficult on the withdrawal. You need to look at the withdrawal rules, but I'm almost certain it's a 20% consistency rule. Not a problem for me. I'm a scalper, so that doesn't really hurt me too bad, the 20% consistency rule. But if you want to skip the evaluation and go straight into funded, fast track trading is getting some really good traction. The CEO did a interview yesterday I saw on YouTube. Very interesting organization. And I'll probably have some free giveaways for fast track trading in the future. They don't have credit card yet to buy it with. I think you can use your ACH and use crypto. But once they have credit card, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'll also get an account myself when they have credit card. But check them out at the moment. And that gets us up to speed. And we are about ready to kick off this. Turn the news back on. We are about ready to kick off this market, aren't we? All right, let me get stuff. Oh, I got to get my charts in here. Hold on, I got to move them from where I normally have them. All right, here we go. Let me get this in. Let me get Tick Strike on. Tick Strike, where you at? Tick Strike. No, where's my dome? Need my dome. Need my dome. Need my dome. Got my dome. All right, let's put that here. Squeeze that in. I tell you what, these YouTubers do live stream all the time. I don't know how they do it in trade. It's almost impossible. I do it on occasion. But when I trade, I'm really focused just on trading. Okay. Okay. So here we go. We have, I wanted to check the news first. What kind of news we have? Always, before you start trading, check the news. Somebody in my Discord was like, hey, I was in a trade at 7:30 this morning when the market went off and when the CPI came out. Fortunately, it was a winning trade for him, but you got to be real careful when you're trading, guys. Be sure you check the news. I'm going to look at the Forex calendar. It's Thursday. It's 8:35 right now. We got Secretary Yellen speaking at 11. I'll be off the air. We got FOMC member. No news coming up. No planned news coming up. So that's good. All right, let's get to it. See what we can get here. Where is my Tick Strike? Let's pull Tick Strike down here into the. I can see it. All right. I am copy trading today, and I'm copy trading a bunch of accounts. Let me pull this in. I have up today. I'm logged into Apex, 3 accounts. I'm logged into Topstep Trader. 5 accounts on Rhythmic. I got Legends trading in here. I got Blue Sky in here. I'm going to trade them all, copy traded at the same time. And here's what it looks like on the copy trader. I have my lead account is Blue Skies. These are all the follower accounts. Real simple to copy trade. Then I just need to come here and I'm good to trade. Good to trade. All right. I need to look at my charts here and get up to speed with what we're doing. My microphone is right in the way of this one right here. I got one on the dome, 1 contract. We'll start with 1. I can always do 2. All right. Hope everybody's doing well. Let me check the chat room. Toad Maxtro. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Toad. Be sure to say hello in the chat room. Let me know you're out there. Otherwise, there's not a reason for me to do a broadcast if no one is letting me know they're even on here. And be sure to give the YouTube a thumbs up. All right, let's see if we can break here. I get a high connection candle. We did.
Order filled.
Let's try it. Let's see if we can get a little run
Order
here.
filled.
And we're out. All right, that was 75 quick bucks. So here's where you'll see the copy trade right here. Ooh.
Order filled.
Whoop. What happened there? Second order filled. Let me just make sure everything is out. That's the thing with got to be real careful. I have no orders. I have no positions. I'm good. Counts. All right. So there was our copy trading right there for those accounts. So I got good fills in some, and my blue sky was the $75 fill. I'm pretty much, when I go in, I'm using a market order. So it, you know, I've got a lot to fill trading that many. And I'm trying to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many accounts I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm trading 11 accounts from Topstep, Apex, Blue Sky, and Legends today. Crazy. We're just letting it fly. These are evaluations. So it's not a big deal if I were to blow out or screw them up. You just go get another one. Not a big deal. Especially the Apex $35 reset. If I blow it out, it's just reset it for $35 right now. So what I would have been nice if this little break of this ATR would have happened after the open, but it didn't. We're still just right here at the open. I'm looking at my algo in my Discord, and right here at the open, we just get this, you know, see, we got these tails either direction right now. There's not much going on. We got some ticks down in the ES on tick strike. Just don't have a real good feel of the market right at this moment. Let me look up let me pull in the breath chart real quick here just to see what's going on. Breath opened up a little weak. VIX is about where we left off yesterday. So we're just kind of mixed still right here. We are trending upwards here. This is a good sign. So I'm favoring longs until, you know, we get probably below this area, and then I might look for gap fill. This gap fill would be at 19,496.50. That is gap fill. So we've got a gap up. So far we're holding it. VWAP, we were just sitting right here at VWAP too. I'm
just seeing some comments
actually
here
might have
from
taken a
Deputy
short
Governor
right there,
Kazicki does note the BOC is putting together an in-depth review of all exceptional actions taken during the
if I
pandemic.
did a short, we may only
review will
be
help
able to
sharpen
move down
response to
into
the next
this
crisis,
area.
and the final report should be published in
I'm
early
favoring longs right now still.
2025. Does reiterate that the BOC expects to
pull back down
at
into
some
here
point in
and push down in
2025,
this area,
and
then I'll really be
if
looking
inflation
to get
continues
long
to ease,
again.
it's reasonable to expect further rate cuts. They are taking their interest rate decisions one meeting at a time, and the bar for them to use QE again is very high. And the unwinding of QE through QT has gone smoothly. Just a reminder, the BOC did cut rates by 25 basis points last week, and that does come ahead of the minutes next week.
Hey, Willie, how you doing, man? Oh, morning. It's the Diet Mountain Dew day, not Diet Dr. Pepper. So I'm just going to keep scalping here. We can break this ATR back north. This may have provided some good support. You can see this is usually a pretty good support area. Let's see if we get something here if this ATR breaks. I'm just going to do one contract again. Breaks. So Google is ticking green there. AMD, RTY green, a red. So still a little indecision here. A lot of back and forth. Real no direction here yet. If the ATR breaks, we'll try. But I don't feel real good about it yet. I'd rather see a move up and then a pullback that we could get long, or a push down here to get long. But that ATR broke, so let's see if we can get something out of it here. Come on, go. Come on, push. Push. One more. Take it. Come on. You can do it. Get up there. Get up
Order
there. All right,
filled.
we're out. That was a real quick scalp. So here we are, copy trading right here. All those accounts across the board. I could really just be done for the day because my goal is really to make a couple $100 a day copy trading, and that's it. If I feel like you know, the market is really trending a certain way, I will do 2 contracts. I'll scalp one, and then I'll hold this ATR where I will just continue to hold it. Now here we've had, you know, 1, 2, 3 Heikin-Ashi candles in a row. It's pretty strong. So sometimes I will just move up a stop behind the Heikin-Ashi candle, but it's here at the open, and we can tend to reverse pretty quickly. Even these first 15-20 minutes, it's kind of like I scalp. That's all I try to do is just scalp. Let things set up. And see, we got ticks, green ticks across the board here. This is a good sign for bulls. Like if I'm in that trade and I'm holding, I'm trying to hold. We got mostly green ticks across the board here. AMD's being a little problem child still. AMD not cooperating, but this was just good little support area. And like I said, I was favoring long, so we pulled back, got long. I try not to complicate it or do anything. Yeah, I'm not one of these ICT traders that draw lines, do this. That's just too much for me. I just trade price action. That's all I do. I look at my algo. My algo got a buy signal in my Discord right at 8:30, right when the market, and again, that was telling me to favor longs. Now the ES, I'm looking at the ES. My ES is still kind of on a sell signal. It's not, ES is not as strong as NQ is at the moment. ES still feels a little weakish in comparison, but I'm trading NQ. But still, Heikin-Ashi candle, get another close. There's another one. Move that stop up. And right now, there's really nothing for me to do since I'm not in the trade and I got out just to hang back. But let me show you how I set up the copy trader, just so that you can see it with let me get it here. All right, how do we set up the copy trader? I'm gonna just do another one here. So essentially you come to, I really don't want to close it because I got it all set up, but you essentially come to here under tools and you scroll down and it's under new, and I come down here to Flowbots and I click replikanto, and then what happens is this little thing right here opens up, and I'll show you an example. So here's an example where there's nothing on it. These are all the accounts I'm logged into right now. I select what I want to trade. So this one is set up for the ES. I say exact quantity, and I pick a leader account. And so in this case, I'm picking Blue Sky. And then this is saying when I take a trade in my Blue Sky account, I want to replicate it in Apex, 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 Apex. That's my personal account. Don't want to do, oh no, this one is Legends. That's Legends. This is my personal account. This is Topstep, 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 Topstep. So my Topstep is using Rhythmic, so you can sign into one easily with Rhythmic, which I'm using Topstep. Apex, Legends, and Blue Sky is Tradeovate, so I'm signing in with the Tradeovate credentials. And this is why I love Tradeovate, is you can do multiple accounts with multiple firms, easy with Tradeovate. Rhythmic a little bit more tougher, but so that's how you set that up. So I got NQ set up. I have M and Q set up. So if I take a trade in M and Q, it copies it over. If I want, I could bring in my personal account and say, instead of if I added, for example, my personal account, but I didn't want to trade NQ in it, I can literally go and switch this to M and Q. So it'll take NQ in this one, but in my personal account, it will stay M and Q. So it's kind of pretty cool what replikanto can do. And there's so many features, I don't even know how to use them all. I just need straight, easy copy trading, and replikanto gets that. Let me take that off. I don't want my personal. I don't really trade my personal account unless I'm happen to do macros or something, or the setup is just so juicy. All right. Take a look at breath. How are we doing on the breath? Breath still not. Breath has rolled over a bit. So we pull it up. So this was that move up. Breath has rolled over a bit. VIX still on the lows of the day. This is still really good. The VIX is nothing scaring us in the VIX. So there's no fear going on yet of any sort to really cause downturn. Seems like so far we're doing a pretty good job holding this gap up. I'd love to see us come down and close this gap, because this would give us some good volatility. It'd be great if we could get below 1611 and come down into this area. It's set up for some nice longs down here. Or if this would end up being a reversal and get below this area, then we would see some risk off. If it gets below 430, we'll see some risk off. But for the moment, it's still a bull's kind of day at the moment. ES really is not even moving. I mean, ES is on a really tight range here since the open. Do I have ES up here? Yeah, I do. Here, look at ES. Since the open in ES, we've gone nowhere. I mean, we've gone 4 points. I have 6 points. Like nothing here. Feel lucky that we were able to scalp out $155 on that.
And just going back to that report from the UK MTO, it does note no damage to the vessel and all crew reported safe, and the vessel proceeds to its next port of call.
I'm just gonna sit back here and wait till we get a push one way or the other. So far, we keep holding this area, VWAP. Keep holding this. Anytime I'm above this yellow line, I favor bulls. If I zoom backwards here, you can see when we're above it, it's pretty bullish. When we're below it, it can be bearish, but we haven't been below. We haven't gotten below in quite some time. There's nothing really below that line much at all. So bulls are still in control here. Ain't no reason to fight them. But below 19,610, bulls may give it up and let this gap fill. That'd be sweet if we could do that. I'd love to see a gap fill. Oh, the RTY is getting beat up there a little bit. Honey badgers. Google a little red, Microsoft a little green. So you see how we still have a lot of this indecision going on. Got things ticking red, we got things ticking green. We're not moving much. We're sitting almost right, you know, in between the high and the low of the day. Maybe if there's a break above this area, that's good, or a break below this area or this area. You know, you might see at least a decent move. Just set out as a line. We'll just throw a line in right there. There. Actually put it right. All right, let's try. Let's go long
Order
again.
filled.
That ATR broke. Let's see if we can.
Order submitted.
See if we can get just a little scalp here. I just don't trust it until we break out above here or below here. Kind of in no man's land here. So this is probably not the most favorable setup. Come on, push up there. Get it. Oh, it was almost there. Come on, we'll get there. See, we got the goog ticking green here, or red. That's not a good sign. I want these things all aligned, and they're not aligned. And RTY is dinging red there. Doesn't feel good. I probably shouldn't stay in this trade. Still we're hanging there. Let me move this up just a little bit more because we got up there and tested that. If we don't, maybe we can push just even a little higher here. Come on,
Order
there we go.
filled.
All right, we got it. No panic. Just didn't like it, but hey, I hung and stuck with it. There wasn't a reason necessarily to sell. Wasn't really a reason to feel confident, but that's all right. All right, I think we're gonna just call it done for the day. I think that's a good little day copy trading. We got Topstep, Apex accounts, Legends trading, Blue Sky. I think we'll call it a day with that. Until we get a nice move, get some volatility going, then some more things will set up and make things a little easier. But hey, this market didn't move much, and we were able to capture a little bit of it. Thank you, everybody. I do enjoy trading live. It is just so hard to do. It is so hard to trade live. Peace out, everybody. Safe trading. Thanks for being a member of my Facebook groups or using my codes. Appreciate it. If you have questions, you can actually, let me post my Discord in the YouTube chat here. Let me post my Discord. So if you ever have questions, you can certainly come in there and ask me some questions anytime, or in one of my Facebook groups. Take care, everybody. Peace out. Safe trading out there.